Well, you know the main signs at this point: cough, fever, sore throat, even loss of taste and smell.
But if you're vaccinated, at what point should you worry that some of those more common symptoms could be COVID? Madeline O'Neill joins us to explain when you should seek out that COVID test. Maddie?
Public Health Madison and Dane County says testing has almost doubled from where it was just 2 weeks ago. And health officials are getting more and more questions about when to seek a test from people who have been vaccinated.
The Delta variant has been a wild card, and it's been kind of writing its own story here.
We've called breakthrough cases in people who are vaccinated rare. But UW Health's Dr. Bill Hartman says the Delta variant is flipping the script.
Probably the more appropriate term is uncommon.
Making virus spread more common.
The people that become infected with the Delta variant have 1,000 times higher the viral load than they did with the Alpha variant.
So whether you've gotten the vaccine or not,
I would say with where we are and having to be masked again and, the rise in what we're seeing, that it's really better safe than sorry.
A COVID test is recommended if you've been around someone who has a confirmed or suspected case. 3 to 5 days after exposure if you've gotten the shot, according to SSM Health's Jenny Bothan.
Anytime someone has symptoms that are consistent with COVID, you really just need to get tested.
That means if you have any hallmark symptoms.
When people experience a loss of sense of taste or sense of smell.
The big three are a cough, a sore throat, and a fever.
You should also get tested, vaccinated or not.
Cold symptoms, you're generally not going to get that fever with it. So that's one of those things that you can sort of use to differentiate.
Vaccines do make a difference. Making sure if you do test positive, you're dealt a better hand.
And where the vaccine excels is at keeping you out of the hospital and keeping you alive.
When in doubt about your symptoms or when to get tested, you can always ask your doctor. But there are plenty of free testing locations, many listed on Public Health Madison Dane County's website.